Everyone, let's practice speaking, listening, reading and writing in English. Do you have to pay? No, it's free. Let's start. Let's go to eigo.ai. First, you have to sign up. When you do, you get a code and a username or email. Use that to sign in. You're in. Let's do it. Let's start. The level: beginner, intermediate or advanced. You have different topics. Choose one. I chose First Woman in Space. Let's start with a video. Let's watch it.
Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to travel to space. She was born in Russia in 1937.
It has subtitles, as you can see. Then you have a multiple choice exercise. Check your answer. Let's do a listening.
Valentina Tereshkova was...
This is particularly good because you're practicing the same vocabulary over and over again, and this way you won't forget it. So, do the exercise, check your answers. Let's start, let's speak right now. You have the chance to listen and then record your own voice. This is really good, don't you think?
Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to space.
How about now? Let's do some writing. Writing is still in beta. What do you have to do? Write the text about the topic, which is the first woman in space, and you'll be amazed. Why? Look at this. You get the score and you also get the correction of the mistakes you made. I made mistakes on purpose, of course. Tell me if this isn't mind-blowing, and tell me if I don't bring you the best free tools out there for you. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to get some more amazing videos, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.